Hello friends, in the first video I explained how it is individual and collective responsibility to reduce pollution and also to reduce the pain of the mother nature. In the second video I explained my personal experiences. This is the third video regarding the individual and collective responsibility of the individual homes, commercial offices, factories, government officials, political authorities, etc. Each and every individual must play a vital role in reducing the pollution to the extent possible. In countries like India, where there is maximum corruption, it might be extremely difficult, but what will these officials do with a lot of money earned by them when they can't even breathe when they go out, when their children die, when there is no more future generation at all, when there is no drinking water available, clean water available, what will they do with all that hell lot of illegal money earned by them? So these politicians, these ministers, these parliament members, councillors, legislative assembly members, these top level administrators to the lowest level administrator, lowest level employee, factory owners must understand it is everyone's responsibility. Polluting rivers and ponds won't do, because they are not doing favor to anyone else but to themselves. So they are also going to die in no time, mainly because of what they have done, either through their factories like oil refineries, thermal generation, steel plants, cement plants, chemical plants, or building constructions, etc., or by commuting in their lavish vehicles and all. So they are polluting left, right, and center. In their own interest, they must put it an end. Government officials must enforce the existing laws and regulations strictly without indulging in corruption, because corruption won't help their survival. So thank you very much.